Go straight. Go straight. Go straight on Main Street. Go straight on Main Street. Go past. Go past. Go past the cinema and you find the library. Go past the cinema and you find the library. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left on the Newberry Road. Turn left on the Newberry Road. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right on the next corner. Turn right on the next corner. Go up. Go up. Taking elevator to go up to the top floor. Taking elevator to go up to the top floor. Go down. Go down. Go down the hill and you'll find the entrance to the park. To the left. To the left. Turn your face to the left side. Turn your face to the left side. To the right. To the right. And then turn your face to the right side. And then turn your face to the right side. No left turn. No left turn. This traffic sign indicates that left turns are prohibited. No right turn. No right turn. Do not make a right turn here. Do not make a right turn here. Highway. Highway. Their car broke down on a highway. Their car broke down on a highway. U-turn. U-turn. He made a quick U-turn. He made a quick U-turn. No U-turn. No U-turn. Do not make a U-turn here. Do not make a U-turn here. Go along. Go along. Go along the road until you find the gas station. Y junction. Y junction. Y junction is also called three-way junction. Two-way street. Two-way street. A two-way street is a street that allows vehicles to travel in both directions. Cross. Cross. If you cross the street, you'll find a bookstore there. Compass. Compass. A compass shows you which direction is north. A compass shows you which direction is roundabout. Roundabout. The roundabout sign advises that you are approaching a roundabout. Exit. Exit. Exit sign indicates way to go out. Exit sign indicates way to go out. Do not enter. Do not enter. Do not enter means don't come in. Traffic light. Traffic light. Do you know what the three colors of the traffic light mean? Dead end. Dead end. Dead end sign is used at the entrance of a single road or street that terminates in a dead end. Railroad. Railroad. Railroad signs warn you that you are approaching railroad tracks. Parking. Parking. Parking is allowed here. Parking is allowed here. No parking. No parking. A no parking sign means you can't park. A no parking sign means you can't park. No smoking. No smoking. Smoking is prohibited here. Smoking is prohibited here. Stop sign. Stop sign. Make a complete stop when you see a stop sign. Make a complete stop when you see a stop sign. Handicapped parking. Handicapped parking. This spot is reserved for handicapped parking only. Sidewalk. Sidewalk. Sidewalk is also called walkway or pavement. Crosswalk. Crosswalk. You must give way when pedestrian has moved onto a crosswalk. Speed limit. Speed limit. A speed limit sign tells you the advisory speed you should drive. Pedestrian crossing. Pedestrian crossing. Look out for pedestrians waiting to cross and be ready to slow down or to stop to let them cross. Slippery road ahead. Slippery road ahead. Slippery road ahead sign is used to warn of unexpected slippery condition. Downhill ahead. Downhill ahead. A slope sign indicates there will be downhill or uphill ahead. On. On. I'm on top of the roof. I'm on top of the roof. Under. Under. She was hiding under the table. She was hiding under the table. Next to. Next to. He's standing next to a Christmas tree. He's standing next to a Christmas tree. Behind. Behind. I didn't notice that she was behind me. I didn't notice that she was behind me. Between. Between. Laura is sitting between Tom and Karen. Laura is sitting between Tom and Karen. Go straight. Go straight on Main Street. Go past. Go past the cinema and you'll find the library. Turn left. Turn left on the Newberry Road. Turn right. Turn right on the next corner. Go up. taking elevator to go up to the top floor. Go down. Go down the hill and you'll find the entrance to the park. To the left. Turn your face to the left side. To the right. And then turn your face to the right side. No left turn. This traffic sign indicates that left turns are prohibited. No right turn. Do not make a right turn here. Highway. Their car broke down on a highway. U-turn. He made a quick U-turn. No U-turn. Do not make a U-turn here. Go along. Go along the road until you find the gas station. Y junction. Y junction is also called three-way junction. Two-way street. A two-way street is a street that allows vehicles to travel in both directions. Cross. If you cross the street, you'll find a bookstore there. Compass. A compass shows you which direction is north. Roundabout. The roundabout sign advises that you are approaching a roundabout. Exit. Exit sign indicates way to go out. Do not enter. Do not enter means don't come in. Traffic light. Do you know what the three colors of the traffic light mean? Dead end. Dead end sign is used at the entrance of a single road or street that terminates in a dead end. Railroad. Railroad signs warn you that you are approaching railroad track. Parking. Parking is allowed here. No parking. A no parking sign means you can't park. No smoking. Smoking is prohibited here. stop sign. Make a complete stop when you see a stop sign. Handicapped parking. This spot is reserved for handicapped parking only. Sidewalk. Sidewalk is also called walkway or pavement. Crosswalk. You must give way when pedestrian has moved onto a crosswalk. Speed limit. A speed limit sign tells you the advisory speed you should drive. Pedestrian crossing. Look out for pedestrians waiting to cross and be ready to slow down or stop to let them cross. Slippery road ahead. Slippery road ahead sign is used to warn of unexpected slippery conditions. Downhill ahead. A slope sign indicates there will be downhill or uphill ahead. On. I'm on top of the roof. Under. She was hiding under the table. Next to. He's standing next to a Christmas tree. Behind. I didn't notice that she was behind me. Between. Laura is sitting between Tom and Karen.